Learn English daily.
I wanted to practice some basic English greetings today. Are you up for it?
Absolutely. That sounds like a good idea. What greetings would you like to start with?
Let's begin with the most common one. Hello. It's used to greet someone you know or even a stranger.
That's a good choice. How about we practice some variations of hello?
Sure, we can use hi, hey, or even howdy for a more informal setting. It's important to adapt the greeting based on the situation.
Right, context is crucial. So, what would be an appropriate response to these greetings?
A common response is to say hello or hi back, but we can also use good morning, good afternoon, or good evening depending on the time of day.
That makes sense. I think it's helpful to learn these different variations. It shows politeness and friendliness.
Exactly. Now, let's move on to another important greeting. How are you? It's a common way to ask about someone's well being.
Yes, it's quite common. And what are the usual responses to this question?
People often reply with I'm fine, thank you, or I'm good, thanks. But they might also say not bad or could be better if they're not feeling great.
Got it. It's good to know different responses to express oneself appropriately. What's the next greeting we should cover?
We can explore nice to meet you. It's used when meeting someone for the first time.
Ah, yes. That's a useful one. And how do we respond to this greeting?
The typical response is nice to meet you too. It establishes a friendly tone and shows appreciation.
Excellent. These greetings will definitely come in handy. Is there anything else we should cover for today?
Yes, so let's plan for our next session. How about we start by introducing ourselves?
Sounds good to me. We can talk about our names, where we're from, and maybe a little bit about our hobbies or interests.
That's perfect. It will help us practice introducing ourselves in English. So, David, why don't you go first?
Sure, Sarah. My name is David. I'm originally from New York, but I've been living here in London for the past 5 years. As for my hobbies, I enjoy playing the guitar and hiking on weekends.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Sarah. I'm originally from Los Angeles, California. I recently moved to London for work. In my free time, I love reading books and going for long walks in the park.
It's a pleasure to meet you too, Sarah. So, how did you decide to start teaching English?
Well, I've always had a passion for languages and helping others. Teaching English allows me to combine those interests and make a positive impact on people's lives.
That's fantastic. I think learning a new language opens up so many opportunities. English, in particular, is spoken widely around the world.
Absolutely. English is the global language of business, communication, and travel. It can help you connect with people from different cultures and enhance your career prospects.
I completely agree. That's why I'm excited to be a part of these English learning sessions. I want to improve my English skills and be able to communicate confidently.
That's a great mindset to have, David. With consistent practice and dedication, you'll definitely make progress. And remember, making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process.
Thank you for the encouragement, Sarah. I'm looking forward to our future sessions and improving my English together.
Yes, so let's continue practicing greetings with a different scenario. Imagine we're at a coffee shop.
Sounds good. I'll play the role of the customer and you can be the barista.
Perfect. Okay, here I go. Welcome to our coffee shop. What can I get you today?
Hi there. I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like it for here or to go?
I'll have it to go, please.
Noted. And what's your name?
It's David.
All right, David, your cappuccino will be ready in just a moment.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day, David.
You too.
Great job, David. You handled that interaction perfectly.
Thanks, Sarah. It's fun to practice these everyday scenarios.
Definitely. These role-playing exercises help build confidence and fluency in real-life situations.
I agree. So, what other scenarios can we explore to practice greetings?
We can try a scenario at a store where you're the salesperson and I'm the customer. We can focus on greetings and offering assistance.
That sounds like a good idea. I'm up for it.
All right, let's imagine we're at a clothing store.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our store. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a new dress for a special occasion.
Wonderful. We have a great selection of dresses. What color and style are you interested in?
I'd like a blue dress, preferably knee-length and not too formal.
Got it. I'll show you a few options that match your preferences.
Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Also, we'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas, so feel free to leave a comment down below.